This quick video is about how to permanently delete your BeReal post on iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open BeReal app and make sure My Friends are selected. Okay, to delete your post, touch these three little dots. Cancel this. It asks your location. For now, we don't need that, so just cancel that. Now you can see these options. Just click this option. Yeah, now you can delete your post. Just tap delete my BeReal. Here you have to select the reason for why you deleting your BeReal post. I tap others and hit yes, I'm sure. Then delete. That's it. Now it's completely deleted. Now touch here and here select the date you want to delete the post. For me 20, so I select this. Then again you can see these memories. It's not a post, it's just a memory. It's only visible to you. If you wish you can delete this. So let's delete this memory also. So tap these three dots and click on delete from memories. Delete. That's it. If you just close and open the app, this memory will be deleted from your BeReal app. Now you successfully deleted your post on BeReal app. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.